I'll start with the items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And I found a journal, and it's back to school time, so now is a good time to shop for these kinds of items because they have an abundance of them with the kids going back to school and going back to college and that sort of thing. So I found this this journal, and I thought it was so cute. It says "Make Today Awesome," and of course it has purple on it and plum and then like a neon green, and I thought it would just be fun to use this. And on the back you can see it has a heart there, and when you open it up it does have, I don't know if you guys can see this, but if you look at the pages, half of the pages are that brown paper, and then half of the pages are white paper. It's 60 sheets. You get 30 sheets of brown craft type paper and 30 sheets of white paper in it. So it's half and half. And it's kind of bound like a composition book style. And what I also love about it is that because it does have the brown craft paper in it, you can very easily, add your stickers, your cardstock, and whatever else you want to add to your pages very easily. So, all right, and then back here is it's a purple glittery binder, pencil holder, marker holder, as you can see, and it has the 3 holes. This is just about the size of my planner actually. So let me go and grab my planner really quick. Okay guys, this is the planner that I have been using, and I purchased it from Target close to 2 years ago now, and I've just started using it, and I think I have showed you guys this and all, and so I just customize it just to make it mine. So it has the 3 rings in it. It's the 3-ring binder style. So that's the size that I'm using, just FYI. Okay, so that pencil holder will work perfectly with the size binder that I'm using. And then I found these stickers back here. Well, actually my husband picked these up for me. And these are the auto collants. You get 13, and they're the pop-up kind. And of course these say home and joy and hope and faith, pray, family, dream big. And I love the rustic sort of look of these stickers, especially this one down here. Love is built on dreams. This home rather is built on love dreams. So isn't that pretty, guys? You get the notepad. It's 5 pieces, and you also get the narrow stickers. And this one is love. It says love, and then of course you have your watermelon, flower, hearts, and cupcakes. Really, really cute. Very cute. And here, here's another pack. I bought 2 packs. This one has the Laugh Out Loud OMG Sweet. And then at the bottom actually has Sweet OMG Smile and Laugh Out Loud. And I absolutely love, color, and in anything that I'm doing as far as crafts and whatnot, I absolutely love colors. So You will definitely notice that from looking at my planner. And then here, this is decoupage papers. Pick these up from Dollar Tree. It is 4 sheets in a pack. Now, I have never used decoupage paper per se. You know, the kind that actually says it's for decoupage. So I'm interested and I'm excited and looking forward to using these with some of my crafts. We'll have this 4 count of stickers. I thought these were very cute. And these are the puff ones or autocollants. And these, as you can see, are just, you know, if you're a girl boss, you're a girly girl and you love all things feminine, then these would definitely be in your arsenal. And you would love to add these. So the lipstick and heels, and just really cute. Those caught my eye. Then I'm going to move over here. These came from Target. These stickers came from Target, and these are Girl Squad, Girl Boss, 22 pieces in this sticker pack. And of course, as you can say, this is, you know, Girl Squad, Boss Note. So if you're an entrepreneur, you work from home, or and again, you love cute, colorful stuff. Even a college student, some of these would be great for. And just summer in general. Some really cute. The colored ballpoint pens, the click color ballpoint pens. It has a pack of 8. You get 8 different colors and all. And so guys, came from Dollar Tree as well, these stickers. No, I'm sorry, these aren't stickers, these are notepads by Crown Jewels, and it says Be Still. Notepad, 50 pieces, and these are great for adding your notes and writing your scriptures on, and then you can just integrate them into your journal. Okay, and then these came from Target, and it has the magnet on the back, and this is all one sheet. This is all one sheet, and it says now, later, and someday. Of course, you can separate them and cut them up if you like, or you can just leave it as, you know, one whole piece. If you're doing like your planner stuff, you know, planning your days, your things to do, now, later, and someday. And I thought these were absolutely adorable. Love all the colors and the polka dots. Or you can just put it on your refrigerator. And then I got these. These are dry erase clips. In purple. They have clothespins on the back. In purple, pink, blue, and lime green. And then these little the little boards or tags you can write on. And of course you can, you know, put them on, clip them to things and whatnot. But these will make good little tags for scrapbooking or for journaling as well. So that's why I got them. And you use a dry erase marker with these. These will be good for teachers too in the classroom. Okay, very cute. Of course, came from Target Dollar Spot. So those are all the items that I have for today to share with you guys. And so I hope that you will join us on this journey to really getting more in tune with journaling and you know, writing down the prayers and meditate on the scriptures and it really does help to build your devotional and prayer life, as well as just building intimacy with God. So, and again, you don't have to decorate your pages. You can just, start your journal and just, just write, your prayers and your scriptures that way. But for those of you that do, like to decorate and like to craft or scrapbook, this is a good way of integrating that into your spiritual. You guys be blessed. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Make sure you click that notification bell so that you'll receive all the notifications whenever we post, and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and follow us on all of our social media platforms. We would love for you to become a part of our family. So we love you. Be blessed. Stay favored. And Lord willing, I will see you guys for Sunday Live at 4 this coming Sunday. Okay? For our Inspiration Corner.